I am Roger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Captured Requests feature inside HackTools++, a powerful Chrome extension that works just like Burp Suite, right inside your browser's DevTools. To get started, simply open Google Chrome, go to any website, and press F12 to open Developer Tools. Once DevTools is open, click on the HackTools++ tab up here. And just like that, you're in. I'm currently on Udemy, and as you can see, HackTools++ has already started automatically capturing all the network requests being made by this website, without me doing anything. Every time the page loads or you interact with it, requests get captured here in real time. Let's quickly understand what we're looking at. Each row here is a network request. You can see the request method, get or post, the full endpoint URL, the status code, and the timestamp. This gives you a complete picture of what's happening behind the scenes on any website. Now, HackTools++ gives us some really useful filters to work with this data. We have a search bar, an all methods dropdown, an all status dropdown, and the scope and block section. Let me show you each one. First up, search. I'll type gtm.udemy.com in the search bar, and instantly the list filters down to only show requests matching that subdomain. This is super handy when you're dealing with hundreds of requests and want to find something specific quickly. Let me clear that and show you all requests again. Next is the methods filter. I'll click on all methods, and you can see we have options like get, post, and more. Let me select get, and now only get requests are showing. Switch to post. Only post requests. This helps you focus on exactly the type of traffic you care about. Similarly, we have the status filter. You can filter by 2xx for successful requests, 3xx for redirects, 4xx for client errors, 5xx for server errors. Watch this. If I select post and 4xx together, I get exactly one request that failed. But if I switch to get and 4xx, 0 results. That's how precise you can get with these combined filters. Now let me show you something cool. I'm going to navigate from Udemy to Amazon in the same tab. And look, Amazon requests immediately start getting captured. HackTools++ doesn't care which site you're on. It captures everything automatically. Let me search for unagi.amazon.in. And you can see around 11 to 12 requests for this subdomain have already been captured. Keep this number in mind. We'll come back to it. Now let me show you the scope feature. Scope means capture only these domains. I'll type amazon.in and click Add. Now let me switch back to Udemy and browse around. Notice, 0 Udemy requests are being captured anymore, because we've told HackTools++ to only capture Amazon.in traffic. Everything else is ignored. Now let's talk about block. Block is the opposite. It means capture everything except these domains. I'll type unagi.amazon.in in the block section and click Add. Let me go back to Amazon now. Amazon requests are still being captured as expected. But now let me search for unagi.amazon.in again. Earlier we had 11 to 12 requests. Now, 0. Those requests are completely blocked from being captured. The block feature is perfect for filtering out noisy or irrelevant subdomains, so you can focus on what actually matters. And if you want to undo this, just click the X next to unagi.amazon.in in the block section. Now refresh Amazon. and the Unagi requests start appearing again. It's that simple to toggle. Finally, one of my favorite features. See this little icon on the right side of every request? That's the Copy as Curl button. Click it, and the entire request is copied to your clipboard as a ready-to-run curl command, complete with all headers, cookies, method, body, everything. You can then take this command and run it directly in your Windows command prompt or PowerShell. This lets you replay any captured request outside the browser, which is extremely useful for testing and security research. And that's the complete captured request feature of HackTools++. Search, filter by method, filter by status, scope your targets, block unwanted domains, and copy requests as curl, all from right inside your browser. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.